Well, would you look at that? Broken latch. Not there. So I ordered a new one, 31 bucks. It's supposed to be here tomorrow. I figure in the meantime, I can take it apart and be ready for the new part when it gets here tomorrow. And I'm pretty sure that the metal bar that goes on both sides to the latches on both sides is hanging down there, and I can grab it and open up the tailgate in the meantime. So let's start off with a 13 millimeter. Remove those three and see where we go from there. All right, have it unbolted. As you can see, this is the part where the handle broke. Latch mechanism right here. But I have to get the whole thing. So this will be all brand new. Looks like a keeper pin came off on this one. This has got one of the keepers right there. Hopefully that comes with keepers on the new one. I'm pretty sure it does. And for now, I'll take the keeper off there and we can just pull on these two and they should open up. So the tailgate's obviously open now. I put the bolts on the old broken latch so they don't get lost. Like I said, tomorrow the part will be here. Might as well clean this up a little bit while I'm waiting for the part. Anyway, we'll be finishing it off tomorrow. Let's take a look inside. Sorry I'm so dirty. I've been working all day putting this carport together. You'll see some video of that soon. So, here's the new latch. It's in the box. New plastic piece. Oh, good. I get them both. I get them both. Cool. Let's get rid of this. Look at that. Brand new one. I was worried about the other one. Here, looks like I can get brand new bolts too. Unless I'm mistaken here. No, I'm mistaken. But I still have my old ones. Oh, that looks heckin' nice. Got the clips I needed too. It's perfect. So next, you'll see me installing it. Okay, new latch is ready to go in. First thing we do is we poke it in there like so. Get it lined up with the holes here. A lot of 13 millimeter sockets required. Line up the bolts. Don't put it on all the way, just put it on loosely until you can get the clips on the rods, the arm rods. Come on, what's your problem? There we go. Okay, there we go. Now, blind man working. Should have done this in more sun here, part of the day. Part of the day that had more sun. Because I can't see stink. Alright, get down on my knees and pray. So these arms, they fit in a hole. Okay. These arms, they fit in a hole that's on the latch, and then they clip down to hold the arm in place. Bam, there we go. Alright, so now we got that clipped in. We can tighten up the back before I tighten it up, let's just go ahead and see. Yeah, alright, perfect. Yep, that's gonna work. That's in place. That looks pretty already. 13mm, and we just tighten it up. We're gonna have the existing working latchet all over again. That makes me happy. Because it was before sunrise early in the morning when this thing broke, and I had a truck full of stuff. I was getting ready to unload. Had to unload it. Wound up unloading it out of the side. Whoop, most of it anyway. Until there was enough daylight to see. Sorry about the Harley. Until I had enough daylight to see, because I didn't have a light of any kind to flash in there. Couldn't see where the rod was or what was broken or anything. A little more popping and settling. Popping and settling is good. It's like good old bones aching and breaking. Alright. Now for the moment of truth, as they say. Oh, that's sweet. Cool. Another job done.